what we got is Michael starting on his bicycle.
Go. That's it. See, nothing to it.
Nothing to it.
Keep your shut up. Hey,
Michael, you better slow down before you fall over there.
And there's Betsy.
See? You feel fine? That's good. How's mommy and daddy? All right? How's mommy and daddy? They okay? All right.
Look at you two.
Look where you're going, Michael, Mark. I tell you, they both riding away now. Okay, can you turn and go the other way now? Turn and go the other way. You want to stop? Okay. Take it easy now, Mark. That's it. Not too close, Michael. Not too close. So what do you guys want to do tomorrow? You want to go? Take it easy, Michael.
I went to the silence.
Yeah, I know. On the high setting. We got the little boogie on the high setting now. See? Here we go.
All right. I guess you've seen enough. Talk to y'all later.